गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। हमने पिछली क्लास में प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ ई कॉमर्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। आज का जो टॉपिक है वह है कैटेगरीज ऑफ ई कॉमर्स। ई कॉमर्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू मेजर कैटेगरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइप्स ऑफ बायर्स एंड सेलर्स इन द ट्रांजेक्शन। जैसे कि डायग्राम में बता रखा है, फर्स्ट है B2B, बिजनेस टू बिजनेस। सेकेंड है B2C, बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर। थर्ड है C2B, कंज्यूमर टू बिजनेस। और फोर्थ है C2C, कंज्यूमर टू कंज्यूमर। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ई कॉमर्स बाय टाइप ऑफ बायर्स एंड सेलर्स। फर्स्ट, बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर। B2C is selling of goods and service to a consumer and the transaction take place through internet. E-commerce may be termed as a tool that provide way to sell goods using web-based technology. In this model, seller sells products and services directly to customer. B2C model include malls which have websites that perform online transaction. B2C e-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods via the web retailers to web customers. In this model, there is need of trusted business partner who have an established business relationship. Next, business to business यानी कि B2B. B2B is commercial transaction between two or more business, although B2C is the most familiar form of e-commerce transactions. In this model, business transactions are performed online via the company intranet. An intranet uses internet technologies to allow employees to view and use internal websites. These internal websites are not accessible to the outside world. B2B technology uses supply chain management, which is very important for business. Next, consumer to business, C2B. The C2B model, also called reverse or demand collection model. This model provides a special offer in which buyers can name their own prices. In this model, consumer decided the business activity in which consumer collects the demand bids. Next, कंज्यूमर टू कंज्यूमर यानी कि C2C. C2C e-commerce model, consumer can sell directly to other customers via online ad or by selling personal service. C2C e-commerce allow non-trusted parties to sell goods and service one another. C2C model facilities plan and simple commerce between consumer. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स फ्रेमवर्क के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू।